Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here. Got the weekend forecast for you, issued today, Friday the 25th of November. Apologies to those of you who are used to receiving the forecast by text. Just no time today, my apologies for that, so I thought I'd do it in form of a video. What we're looking at here, surface pressure chart. We've got rainfall marked on there in blue as well. And this is the chart for this afternoon. Look, it shows the ridge of high pressure that's building through this afternoon, bringing generally pleasant conditions across southern parts of the country and into Ireland too. Still got some heavy showers. Look for northern and western parts of Scotland. Cloud base is pretty good down towards the south. Some good flying to be had this afternoon across much of England and Wales. Cloud bases around 2,000 to 3,000 feet, but just some heavy showers across northern and western Scotland, bringing you into non-VFR conditions. For sailing, we're looking at westerlies, probably around force 3 to 4 through the Channel, increasing through the Irish Sea. Westerlies at 5s there, westerly 6s touching 7s across these western coasts of Scotland. And then through tonight, the ridge is still there. Look across the south, but just look at this area of low pressure that's developing there towards the west of Scotland. Watch what happens overnight. In it comes, look, so that by tomorrow that low is just northeast of Scotland. Some very strong winds across Scotland itself during tomorrow. We're looking at westerlies probably around a 7 or an 8, that's up to gale force, and westerlies 6s to 7s down through the Irish Sea until you get south of about St David's Head. Some pretty heavy and frequent showers affecting northern and western Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England as well. Here cloud base is down to 1,500 feet at times and becoming moderate to poor in those showers, but outside of them I think generally good conditions, particularly across eastern Scotland, but still very windy here, gusts of 50 or 60 miles per hour. Down across southern parts of England, shouldn't be too bad a day actually. Southwesterly with broken cloud, probably bases around 3 to 3,500 feet and good visibility. And winds down here, southwesterlies at force 4 to force 5, so you're looking at about 15 to 20 knots. Heading on through Saturday evening into Sunday night, just look at this feature that comes in a very deep area of low pressure, screaming to the north of Scotland, taking some very strong winds with it. These are storm force winds gusting up to 70 or 80 miles an hour across Scotland. So for Sunday morning, look, it's a very, very windy morning. That cold front though that's down here, that's on that area of rain that you can see here, is going to be clearing its way eastwards. Look, it gets out of the way fairly quickly, so by Sunday afternoon things are going to be improving. I think a ridge of high pressure comes in, we find the winds easing off as well. Across Scotland becoming west to west northwesterlies at around a force 5 to 6, and cloud bases here probably getting up to 3,500 feet, so not great for sailing, but for flying in the south it shouldn't be too bad on Sunday afternoon. Some showers there around northern and western coast here, bases getting down to about 1,500 to 2,000 feet with 1 or 2 heavy showers. Down towards the south where that cold front lingers through the Channel, look, so I think fairly cloudy there. We're going to have bases of about 1,500 to 2,000 feet in outbreaks of rain, and probably moderate visibility at times in rain down here, but elsewhere things improving dramatically through the afternoon. Look, that ridge of high pressure building in by mid-afternoon, so I think bases of the cloud around 4,000 to 5,000 feet, good visibility, some good flying, and also some good sailing conditions across England and Wales and Ireland during Sunday afternoon. And I think winds typically westerlies at 3s to 4s, so that's about a 12 to 15 knots. Those showers though continuing around northern and western Scotland. So I hope that's been okay for you. Certainly Sunday afternoon looks to be the pick of the weekend. Don't forget this forecast is kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen here. If you see an advert you like, click on it, go through to the sponsor. It tells them that you like us and it generates revenue as well to keep the site free of charge. So thanks for that, keep the sun shining, and any of you going to the Flyer Show tomorrow, I'll be talking at 1 PM. That's at the NEC on Saturday afternoon. I'll be giving a talk at 1 PM. Do come over and say hello. Thanks for watching.